Hope they are cotton as well. Alrighty, folks, we got some masks here. Compliments of the babes' Faja.
Your father-in-law?
My father-in-law. So we're gonna see if we can dye them. We don't even know if they're 100% cotton. You know, we've done other masks before. We do have 100% cotton masks that we do know how to, that work good. But we're gonna try these out. These are a different shape, so come along for the ride.
Let's see.
What are you thinking?
Thinking maybe I should fold the strings on the inside.
I think that would be good.
I don't know if I can twist this though.
It is a rather small canvas.
It's like a onesie.
Yeah. It's a tight one, but I think that's gonna work. Twist it up again. There's one. We got one more. Tuck in our straps. See, our other ones are like the accordion style, traditional style mask. They're just 100% cotton. With the exception of the strings on them. They must have some nylon in them because they didn't hold dye very well.
Yeah. Or they,
But the body is 100%
spandex
cotton.
maybe?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, elastic, yeah.
We'll see how that turns out.
2 of them. Here we go to the dyeing rack.
You gonna watch us?
You gonna watch us tie-dye? We got baby babes hanging out with us for about 15 minutes too.
So what colors do you want? One's gonna be for me, one's gonna be for you. What do you want?
I want a pastel with the Great Glacier and the Cayman Isle.
Okay.
Anything else you put in there, because it can be up to you.
Now,
My
how
only
much
request
room?
is that I get the Cayman and the Glacier.
Okay, I'm gonna do citrus.
Ooh.
And I'm going to do, I don't know if this is cotton.
Yeah. Well, if it doesn't come out good, it's okay. Just a test run. These will not be for sale, folks, I don't think.
Depends on how they turn out.
Yeah.
We don't know if they're cotton.
We don't even know they're cotton. If we like how these come out, then we were gonna order some like similar to style mask and that we do know are cotton, dye them and sell them. So we just want to see what it looks like to twist one of these up.
I don't think this is cotton.
Aren't you a smooth operator? Bubblegum tie-dye masks.
Yeah, these definitely are not cotton, I can tell.
Featuring golden yellow. Citrus
Citrus.
yellow. I keep making that mistake. I'm sorry, y'all. Citrus.
Citrus is the
yellow.
pastel.
Right. Golden is the deep.
Yes.
You know, because gold's not exactly pastel. Oh, I just
Tried.
mixed that too.
Yeah, you did.
That's a lot of bubble gum.
I don't know how this is about to turn out. Oh, yeah. I'm not sure about that.
Yeah, I don't think those are cotton
I
biscuits.
don't think so either. Dad said they were.
I've never seen us dye anything and it looked like that right afterwards. So I'm gonna go with those are not cotton, and this is what it's gonna look like if you try to dye something not cotton, folks. We've never done that before. So I guess.
Let's see how they turn out.
Yeah, you know.
Who
hey,
fucking cares?
Who cares?
They were free.
Who cares?
Can you give me a paper towel?
Yes. Hold off on mine just a paper towel for the vibes. With your fingerless glove over there. Happened right when you put it on too, folks. But if you didn't know, nitrile's hard to come by these days because we can't find gloves anywhere.
It gets easier and easier every day, but it is still pretty hard to find.
Yeah. We do have some more, but they're all the way out in my car.
I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know if it's gonna work.
gonna learn.
We gonna learn today.
Cayman. Look at that Cayman. I like that. That's gonna be a nice transition of blues, don't you think? Nice pastel blue transition to the deep Cayman. If any of this dye takes it is.
And these soaked the longest.
I know. These have the most fixative in them. And
Yeah.
the last shirt that it soaked that long, it took dye extremely well.
Yeah.
So. definitely isn't
Well.
that. I guess it's something, man. It's gonna be
Well, I
pastel.
got
They're definitely gonna be pastel. I can tell you that.
I got an ugly mustard color, and you got light blue.
I got light blue. You got mustard. Alrighty. Look at all those tie-dyes. We'll see y'all in the morning, folks, when we're rinsing all this stuff out. Stay tuned. See y'all later. What? Oh yeah, throw some hot pink in there. Just a little splishy splash, taking a bath. A little hot pink. Maybe that'll perk things up. Alrighty, folks. See y'all tomorrow.